All right, coming at you with another slide of modeling, etc. So here's what we've got. Students are going to be working in what I call their learning pods collectively on this. Each group is going to get these 2 slides that I will copy shortly. Directions. I've struggled with where to put directions. I've tried them down in the notes. I've put them on the slides. I've put videos on the slide. Today I'm going to try and put them as comments so students can just delete them. So hopefully they are just going to look at this, which you might recognize from a POGL. So I kind of cannibalized this POGL activity. We did some of it together. They're doing some of it in groups. So they're just going to drag their arrows right over. And then I pre-made these text boxes so that they can type in whatever they need to do down in there. So it's all ready for them. A couple things to think about is just how you're ordering steps. So these pictures are sent to back so that everything just comes up over it. And I'm just going to delete, put my arrows back. And then the next slide they're going to do is start thinking about how we use a Bohr model, how we use these orbital diagrams, to model where these electrons are going and what they're doing. So we just wrapped up emission spectra and that sort of thing, but they haven't really thought about it in context of orbital diagrams and orbitals. We've only really talked about N, and we haven't gotten into a lot of those smaller things. So I'm hoping that they can connect back to what they saw by having these 2 things happen. So they've been given this excited state for neon, and then they are going to fill in the ground state for neon. And then what I want them to do is then move these electrons over to hopefully depict this as well on here in these Bohr models, and then just answer a couple questions. So that's what we're doing in chem today. Just thought it was exciting, figured I would share.